So I know it's been a week or so since I filmed a video, but I wanted to come on here really quick and do my June favorites video before time passes us by. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I'm in the process of switching up some things on my channel, so please let me know what you're interested in seeing. The whole point of my channel is really to help those around me and be as of an inspiration to those who watch my videos, and I really want to make sure I'm giving like knowledgeable info. So please let me know what you want to see in the description below. The reason why I do these videos is to really show you the products that I use that I think will be helpful for you in some point for some reason. So the main products I show you are beauty, lifestyle, and so beauty involves hair, skin, makeup products, and so these are just the things that I've used throughout June, not necessarily bought in June, so I'm trying to cut back on spending, but I still want to show you the products that are like my go-to this month or last month. I'm a little late. Let's just get right into the video. The first product I'm going to be talking about is this steamer. I have a whole video on this steamer, and what I love the most about this steamer is that it helps with my acne. It helps with opening up my pores to make sure I'm really getting all the dirt out of my pores, especially if I've been wearing makeup, or even if I've just had like a long week of some sort. It's helpful for me just to steam my face. It's like I'm at the spa 24/7 because I can use it anytime. So be sure to check out the full video in the card above. The next product we're going to be showing you is hair products. So I actually use this product, this Honeybee Styling Gold Beeswax. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because I did use it for my passion twist that I did. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to click the description below or click this card. And I'm showing you this because I used it again on my boyfriend's hair when I was doing his hair, and his hair stayed so long. Like, he had no frizz, little to no frizz. So this is very helpful for styling, braiding, and it's not super heavy, but it also keeps your hair moisturized. So I would definitely check this out if you haven't used something similar to this already. I know there's the normal beeswax, but that beeswax is so thick and it just doesn't do the same thing. So this liquid gold is what you need to do, and I just picked this up from my local beauty supply. The next product that I'm going to be showing you is another hair product. I did not purchase this month, but I've been using it for some time now, and I think I actually show you this in my what's in my traveling hair cosmetology kit. And the reason why I'm showing you this again is because I've had a few clients this month where I'm just like doing their hair, and this brush just comes through every time. It has really thick bristles at the base and then thinner bristles at the top, as you can see here, and it just really gets in the roots and gets rid of any tangles, and it's perfect for anyone who's looking to up their game when styling their client's hair. And you can literally use this for every occasion. It's just like the perfect brush. I use this a lot when I was doing different fashion week, and people are like, oh my gosh, let me use your brush. So you must try this. The next two items I'm going to be showing you, they're more lifestyle products, but they're something that I've been using a lot more this month, and so I wanted to be sure to share these with you. The first one are these sandals. I know you see my recent Boohoo video. If you haven't, be sure to go check that out. I show you these shoes and a bunch of other cute clothes I got from Boohoo for the summer, and let me tell you, I've literally been wearing these ever since I got them. They're so comfortable, they're sturdy, you don't slip. But be sure to check out the other video to get all the details on these shoes and see how they look on. Lastly, I'm keeping this video real short because you know you got to get straight to the point. Y'all only stay tuned for about 2 minutes anyways. Why is that? Stay to the end of the video, see all the goods. Anyways, let's continue. So if you follow me on Instagram, rock_natural, or if you want to follow my beauty page, it's Rock Natural Beauty. If you are in the Denver area and you would need your hair and makeup done, you want to follow that page because I'll be posting all about the beautiful clients that I do. So I've been in the gym recently, and if you do follow me on Instagram, you see that I'm in the gym 3 times a week minimum, and this is just really good for me to maintain my own stress levels, my own everything, and I just really have to stay in the gym. So what I've been using recently are these wireless Bluetooth headphones, and you connect them to your phone. So you turn them on here, you connect them to your phone, and these are just super lightweight. They stay out of my way when I'm working out. They last so long, like I probably charge them once a week, and they have a little charger. And I love this case, like this is so convenient. I literally just put them right back in here every time I'm done using them, and then I just make sure I have this case with me. I even put my other iPhone headphones in here and carry the whole thing around like this. And this is just much easier to make sure to carry around, just to make sure I have them with me at all times. And so it's really a noise cancellation. So if you're looking for some Bluetooth headphones that you need to purchase, be sure to check these out. I use them all the time, especially for working out. I do use them sometimes on the plane, but since you have to put your phone on airplane mode, if you don't, then you'll be fine. They don't necessarily work when Bluetooth isn't available. So that's the only downside, but other than that, I use them for everything. Like I like not having the cord in the way, especially when I'm working out. It's just so convenient. Well, that's all for this video. Like I said, I do these videos just to show you some things that I've found helpful for me that might be helpful for you. But let me know if you don't necessarily like these videos. Be sure to like this video though if you do want me to continue to do my favorites video. We're halfway through the year, 6 months in. I've been doing them every month for the past 6 months, so I need your honest feedback. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and be sure to check out these 2 videos that I'm going to be showing. Be sure to check out these 2 videos to get more information on the passion twist, and showing you how to take photos on Instagram. I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!